In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Gmail sync issues. If your inbox isn't updating, new emails aren't showing up, or things just feel a bit stuck, we'll go through a simple set of checks you can follow right in your browser. By the end, you should have a clear idea of what to look for and how to get your messages syncing properly again. First, start by opening Gmail in your browser. Use the browser you normally use every day like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure you go directly to the Gmail website rather than using a bookmark that might be outdated. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you aren't already. This ensures we're working with the most current view of your inbox. Once you're in Gmail, the quickest thing to try is a manual refresh of your emails. Look for the refresh icon near the top of your inbox, usually shaped like a circular arrow. Click that to tell Gmail to check for new messages and update what you see. Sometimes Gmail can pause automatic syncing for a moment, and a manual refresh gives it a small nudge to catch up. After clicking, give it a few seconds to complete and watch for new messages appearing or changes in labels and folders. If that doesn't seem to help, the next step is to reload the entire page. This is slightly different from just refreshing your inbox inside Gmail. Use your browser's reload button or press the standard refresh shortcut on your keyboard. Reloading forces your browser to reconnect to Gmail servers and re-download the page, which can clear up small glitches in how the site was initially loaded. When it comes back up, check again to see if your messages are syncing correctly and try clicking the Gmail refresh icon one more time just to be sure. If you're still not seeing your email update, it's time to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. Try opening another website in a new tab to make sure pages are loading quickly and consistently. If other sites are slow, not loading, or cutting in and out, Gmail will have trouble keeping your inbox up to date. In that case, you may want to move closer to your Wi-Fi router, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa, or briefly toggle your connection off and back on. Once your connection feels stable and other sites work fine, go back to Gmail and refresh again. If your connection looks good but Gmail is still not syncing the way it should, the last thing to try is clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser. Over time, stored data in your browser can conflict with fresh content from websites like Gmail. In your browser settings, look for the option to clear browsing data or cache and clear only the cached files if you can. Then close and reopen the browser, go back to Gmail, sign in, and check your inbox again. If you prefer not to clear your cache, simply open Gmail in another browser you have installed. Trying a different browser is a quick way to see if the issue is tied to your original browser or something else. By walking through these steps in order, opening Gmail, refreshing your inbox, reloading the page, checking your internet connection, and finally clearing your cache or using another browser, you can usually resolve most Gmail sync issues that show up in a web browser. If nothing changes after all of this, it may be a temporary problem on Gmail's side, so waiting a little while and trying again is often the best next move.